Massive fire at Azan Supercenter warehouse in St. Andrew left millions of dollars in damages. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Firefighters were kept busy yesterday in St. Andrew, battling a blaze at the Azan Supercenter warehouse as it went up in flames around 1 p.m. Several units were deployed to fight the blaze. It reportedly left the warehouse gutted. It's a huge blow to the local retail giant heading to the busy Christmas period. Commissioner of the Jamaica Fire Brigade, Stuart Beckford, provided an update Monday afternoon in relation to the fire.
We have contained this blaze. It's under control, but not yet extinguished. And if I may go back a bit to the initial call made to us with this fire. So we got this call at about 1:26 p.m. We were still doing mopping up operations at the furniture arcade when this call came in. So we had to quickly redeploy some of our resources to this location. When we got here, we saw two buildings on fire. One was fully engulfed, and that is a warehouse. So that facility has been significantly damaged. Pure National Ice, a part of their establishment, would have also suffered significant damage. We have an adequate amount of water now, and I say now because in the initial stages we had difficulty with low water pressure because having contacted NWC and alerted them to the fact that this fire was taking place and that we need, for the pressure in that location to be boosted. Regrettably, they were not able to do that at the time because the Spanish Town water system, I'm told, Spanish Town Road, there was an electrical malfunction at their plant, or their facility, so they were not able to do that. But they subsequently rerouted water from another supply, and as we speak, we have a significant increase in the pressure in the hydrant. So no longer do we need to leave the scene to go replenish to come back.
An employee at the facility gave his account of what he saw.
About 1:15. That was supposed to be our lunchtime. One of the guys come up from in the warehouse and said, "Fire, fire, fire, fire." I grabbed one of the extinguisher that we had at the front and go down there. When I reached down there, the fire was in the air on one of the top shelves. The extinguisher couldn't help us, so I turned back, tried to get in touch with the fire brigade, but we couldn't get through to them. I called the boss and tried to clear the building from the staff because everybody came out for lunch here. One of the guys unfortunately got trapped down there. The other was to dig off one of the window from the side to get him, and everything just boom from there. It happened so fast. I don't know, I can't believe it really have gone.
Oh, God.
This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.